Hey everyone, my name is Levi, and I'm a business major here at Minot State University. I'm really excited to get to show you around the campus today. We've been teaching teachers for over a century. We have new, modern classrooms all across the campus. In fact, we have some of the newest buildings in the NDUS. Not bad for just being over 100 years old. The Slotin Learning Center features state-of-the-art boardrooms and computer labs for business classes. So we're here in the Nicole Nelson Hall. This amazing auditorium hosts events from all across the country, from music, the symphony orchestra. The governor just did his State of the State address here, and we even have the opera. Hands-on learning, like here at the Nursing Clinical Lab, gives students the chance to practice in a unique simulated environment. We have modern labs with every scientific piece of equipment you could think of. The broadcasting department has its own studio and produces a weekly show called MSU Inside Out. Our Wellness Center has a rock wall. Our dome is also one of the biggest venues in the region, housing up to 10,000 fans and has one of the largest video boards in D2. Hey, so thanks for spending the day with me, guys. There's no way I could show you all the great things at Minot State in just one video, so you're just gonna have to come on campus, schedule a tour, and check it out for yourself. I'm gonna go grab some late night food at the Beaver Dam and check out some live music. We'll see you soon.